Here we are, Pearson's first pool experience. What do you think, Pearson? I think it's a good time, too. He's a little excited. What do you think about all this water? Huh? What do you think? You got so much fat you should float there, buddy. Don't go face first now. Yay, good job. Yay, good job. Yay, alright. Have a good time, okay? Dad's gonna go cut grass. Alright. See you later. Yay, see you later.